Sunrise in the desert on the Persian Gulf. For now, the temperatures here are still bearable. However, as midday approaches and the sun gets ever higher, the thermometer climbs up to 50 degrees Celsius in the summer months. As a result, large chiller units are used to keep the temperatures inside buildings at a tolerable level. This means that cooling accounts for most of a building's energy needs. The construction industry in the United Arab Emirates is today increasingly in a period of change, moving away from the pure pursuit of superlatives like higher, faster, and bigger, and towards a sustainable approach aimed at building in a better and, above all, more energy-efficient way. BASF is on site in the Gulf with production, sales, and technical support, and, as a 24/7 solutions provider, is making an important contribution to meeting the growing need for solutions related to all aspects of sustainable construction. One example of this is the East Hotel in Dubai.
This project here is a 4-star hotel. Its name is East Hotel. It's a very luxurious hotel. It will be when it's all finished for this part of Dubai, and it's a very energy efficient hotel with the EFA system being put on it.
Julian Pritchard, BASF account manager, inspects the application of the EVE system on site with the contractor. The building's cladding with its innovative insulation system EVES reduces the amount of energy used to cool the luxury hotel by up to 50%.
EVES stands for Exterior Insulating and Finishing System. Basically, all EVES consist of is an air weather barrier that is applied to the facade, an expanded polystyrene board, base coat mesh, top coat, and we can make it look and design it so it looks like precast or Luco cladding, or whatever texture design the consultant would like.
In addition to great potential for saving energy, EVES also offers a broad range of design options. Depending on the desired appearance, a wide variety of different colors and materials can be applied using a wide variety of techniques.
Well, EVES in design is a big contribution here with the new city being developed. I would use the word limitless. It's an architect's playground.
However, what's primarily responsible for the EVE system's positive impact are the layers underneath the visible outer skin. They produce the actual energy-saving potential. The EVE system's first layer is being prepared. Center Shield is an acrylic-based fiber-reinforced air weather barrier that is mixed with cement on site and then applied to the subsurface. Center Shield is easy to work with and quick to set. The next step, mixing the adhesive for the insulating panels. All that the workers add to the polymer adhesive is water. After just a few minutes, work on the wall can begin on the panels that will make the building so energy efficient.
Primary advantage of EVES is the fact that we can create an energy efficient blanket around the building, and in doing so what we try to do is to reduce the amount of energy that's required to cool the building. In Dubai we have to cool the building and keep the cold air in. So the more EPS we put on the building, the less air conditioning costs that are required to cool the building.
Before being delivered to the construction site, each individual panel is numbered and cut to size for its position on the building's exterior wall. No additional cutting work is thus needed on site, and no waste accumulates on the narrow scaffold. The team can concentrate on the actual installation, and the job is thus done faster. After being glued, the panels are physically fixed in place. The Belhaza employees are genuine EVES specialists. Each of them has acquired the skills for the optimum way to work with the system in special training sessions.
Well, the most important thing when it comes to applying the BASF EVE system is to do it correctly the first time. Because if you're talking about not doing it correctly, you're talking about repairs. And repairs are expensive. BASF have professionally arranged a complete training session for our applicators in their own workshops. So we go, take our people there in batches, and they professionally train us in every aspect of EVES. In addition to that, we have seminars and we have other tools and visuals that help us understand EVES better.
The panels are firmly in place, the insulating skin around the building fully sealed. The workers now add a further layer of adhesive to the panels in order to apply a mesh as reinforcement. For large areas, they use the flexible fiberglass meshing straight from the roll. For a clean job on the corners of buildings, prefabricated edging elements are available. These consist of a metal profile with mesh strips projecting on either side. Once put on, the mesh is quickly plastered over. After hardening, all that's left to be added is the top coat. This consists of a primer, which is applied with a roller, and the finish. After drying, the EIFS system is complete, and the building wrapped in an energy-saving shield. Insulating buildings using EIFS is just one answer to the growing need for solutions in all areas of sustainable construction. As one of the world's leading chemical companies, BASF offers clients numerous solutions that create added value through sustainability.
BASF, the chemical company.